Hey guys, let's see today how to fix YouTube full screen not working on your iPhone. Yeah, in some situations you want to watch some videos on YouTube in full screen mode, but YouTube full screen is not showing on your iPhone. So let's see how to fix that. So for that, just I have already opened one YouTube video, and you can just go to here, and as you can see, yeah, it's perfectly working on my iPhone in full screen mode. So I have just fixed that. So let's see how to fix this issue. Yeah, so just go to settings, and you just try to find display and brightness. You can see over it, just tap on it and just try to slide down, and you can see over here the display zoom. You can just select that one, and guys, please make sure that it should be selected by default. So if in your case, if it is selected by larger text, just move to the default, and you can go for done. And you can just go to YouTube video, and you can just try to open, and you can also, using both two fingers, you can just zoom in and zoom out also, guys. See here. Okay, so just go and check. And also guys, if it is not working, go to App Store, App Store, and you can just try to find YouTube. And guys, yes, if it is any update, just go for update, guys. Yeah, if it is still not working, then just try to look next method. So this time you will do, just go to YouTube, just tap on it, and guys, you can go to profile, go to settings, and go to general, and this time you can just try to see zoom to fill the screen. So if it is turn off, you can go to turn it on, guys. I hope guys your problem will be fixed, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.